This is an underpower video demonstration of a Chiron FZ08MT Precision High Speed Plus Mill Turn Center. It has a Fanuc Series 31 Model V5 control. There is a, you're seeing we're right now doing a spindle warm-up because it's 30,000 RPMs. This machine is new in 2018. Just to give you, the X is 8.2 inches, Y is 7.87 inches, Z is 14.7 inches, 30,000 RPM, that's why the warm-up cycle, 13.5 horsepower, and the diameter through the bar feed, through the spindle, is 1 inch, 0.650, so 1.65. Just doing a walk around of the machine. The machine is, again, 2018. You can see the parts conveyor coming out here. They were making a little medical device part on this machine. That project is finished, and they have another machine to go in its place. Has a Knoll coolant and filter system, which I'm just walking around so you can see. There's the L&S Quick 6 S2 coolant system. Machine looks pretty much like new. We're just showing you the Chiron FZ08 MT High Precision, going through a program of the machine running under power. We're not actually cutting. Got a groove tool in there. Simulating as if it's going in to cut the groove on a piece of bar stock. I'm just walking around so you can see it from this angle. The Renaissance probe in the corner. Going through a tool change. Tool change right now.
Full speed.
That was full speed.